She's at it again under the alias Krissy Nicole on Clubhouse, teaching a wholesale masterclass for $39 to $99 per student, but is not holding the classes when she says, or just not at all. What's going on, guys? It's your man Ed Hayes here, back for another very important video, guys. A while back on the channel, I made a video exposing this supposed wholesaler scammer who was going around stealing money from investors and other people in the community. Well, I had to make another video about it, guys, because apparently she's at it again, guys, under a different alias this time. So I want to shed some more light on this situation because, guys, we're in such a vulnerable spot already with all the legislation going on with wholesaling. We have to expose the bad actors out here, guys. So in this video, we're going to be doing a deep dive talking about this supposed wholesaler scammer, Krystal Card. She also goes by Krystal Davis, Krissy Nicole, so many different aliases. We're going to be deep diving what they've been up to since the last time that I made a video exposing them on this channel. So pack up, get ready, put your seatbelts on, guys, because this is going to be a jam-packed one. But before we dive into this video, I got to do the YouTube stuff. I've got a goal that I'm trying to get. So I'm trying to hit 12,500 subscribers before the end of this year. It's a big goal. It's a crazy goal, but it's my goal. And the only way I'm going to hit that goal is if you all give me the HBO special. What's the HBO special? That's the Help a Brother Out special. Hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more content. I'm going to give you all a second to do that.
Push the button. Push the goddamn button.
Push the goddamn button.
You heard what she said.
All right, now let's get into this content.
With me, that's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? Hey, coming down like precipitation. I ain't never met.
All right, guys, so I want to give you all a little bit of background for those of you who may not have checked out the last video. Krystal Davis, a.k.a. Krissy Nicole, a.k.a. Krystal Card, was exposed previously for a litany of different things. There was people that said that she fraudulently did their taxes. It was investors that gave her like $15,000 and she never actually managed their property, and so on and so forth. She was actually caught up to by one of Detroit's most famous investigative reporters, Rob Walchek.
Hi, Krystal. It's Rob Walchek from Fox 2.
Hi.
Hi, I got to ask you some questions.
What?
What's going on with that house on Westbrook over there?
What?
The house on Westbrook that you took money from Shanika from. Why don't you hang up the phone and talk to... She relied on sources to recommend someone, and man, her sources let her down.
They set me up with a person as my property manager who is a convicted felon and doesn't even have a real estate license to do what she does.
That person is Krystal Davis, a.k.a. Krystal Card of Card Property Management. I told you I would hook you up. I'm a professional tax preparer. Krissy responds with questions regarding paperwork needed, but she didn't need the paperwork. She says Krystal had already filed her taxes for her.
That's when my eyebrows started to raise because how did you file my taxes without my permission?
The same thing happened to Tara.
After my taxes are filed, I get a letter from the IRS stating that my taxes are being investigated.
Tara says Krystal told her,
You said you wanted the maximum refund. And I'm like, the legal maximum refund? That's why I went with you. I thought you were a licensed preparer.
Then Krystal stopped contacting everyone, Krissy, Tara, and Christina down in Miami.
So it was a really, really crazy video, guys. And since then, I've been getting a ton of comments ever since I launched that video of people saying that she's still doing the same things, even as recently as this week. So I wanted to show you all some of those comments so you all can see why I decided to make another video exposing this lady. So this person right here says, I'm in Florida. She scammed me $39 from me for her masterclass, and I was ready to pull up on her over that. $15K, I'm catching a flight. I totally agree with you, Nika. I really, really mean that, for real. That's crazy. Look, this person right here, Christina Speckles, I believe you said, this is actually the investor lady who got scammed in the video that I made. And she commented, she said, trust me, I would have caught a flight if I didn't care about my future. I don't blame you, Christina. So this was another comment from Christina, again, the investor from the last video, saying, so I paid $43,000 for an apprenticeship where the mentor slaps me with a cease and desist for calling bullshit on the program that gave me nothing but connected me to a criminal to steal more money from me. At the end of the day, trust no one. I thought I was in good hands and everyone turned out to be a con artist. Everyone connected. So apparently Christina actually hired someone who brought in Krystal and ultimately ended up scamming her. And that person actually like hit her with a cease and desist. I'm assuming because she was in the Rob Walchek video exposing Krystal. That's wild. This person says, can't trust no one who wig look like that. Oh my God. Hey, all I can say is you petty. So William Hollis said, can't front. She always seems shady to me for some reason. And I think a lot of people agree with that. That one had like 20 likes right there. This person right here said, Krystal Davis is stealing money all over the place and driving a BMW, but she got to let the window down from the outside to get inside her car.
Do me a favor, please. Get out of here. Get out of here, man.
Laughing my ass off. By the way, people have been reporting and exposing her, but nobody goes to the police. So guys, look, we got to go to the police. We have to really, really expose these people. Don't be afraid or ashamed. I know a lot of people have like a lot of shame when it comes to getting scammed and stuff. So like really, really be prepared to be open, talk about it, and actually help other people from getting scammed. Look, this person right here says she stole money from me. People have filed cases against her. I filed a case against her as well. Thank you for this video. And then they wrote back down here at the bottom, they said that they said my serve papers came back. I have to have her physical address for me to serve her.
Mission failed. We'll get them next time.
So that's like a thing right there to actually get them in, to get her into a courthouse. This person, the next person says she tried to scam my hubby. Thankfully, the seller couldn't stand her and wanted no part of her. Glad she's being exposed. All right, guys, so now let's get into some of the more recent comments that people have been leaving on this video exposing Krystal. So this one person right here about 5 months ago says, she just recently got me. She did my taxes in February 2021 and I received it in March. Money was missing from my taxes. She won't return my calls, messages, and won't give me my tax information. That's wild. And that's just 5 months ago that this was posted. So now, just 1 day ago, we've got someone who posted saying, I was in her last class that started in September, but she's only done 3 before she just disappeared. Supposedly in ICU, but no way of knowing. Out of $178. So, right, like they say, like this person could be in the ICU or whatever, right?
Why the fuck you lying?
But she also has a history of doing this type of stuff. And then this person right here says she's at it again under the alias Krissy Nicole on Clubhouse, teaching a wholesale masterclass for $39 to $99 per student, but is not holding the classes when she says, or just not at all. She promises the class that she will provide the wholesale contracts, but never gives that information to her students. Guys, this stuff is still going on, man. She's on Clubhouse. She's on Facebook. She's using multiple aliases. It's typically very often it can be hard to get these types of people for the authorities to actually take them down. That's why I'm trying to do my piece of actually trying to expose this lady. Before in the past, she was the admin of one of the biggest Facebook groups on Facebook, period. And maybe she still is. It was called Cash Buyers, JVs, and Deals. At that time, it had like over 60,000 members in it. And she was supposedly scamming those people inside of that group as well. So this is not the first rodeo for some, I'm going to charge you something and then not give you what it is that I'm supposed to be giving you back in return. So guys, man, this is another one of those cautionary tales. So what do you all think about this situation? I mean, I think it's a damn shame that people like that can go around scamming, finessing people all throughout the internet, maybe giving some bits and pieces of knowledge and information and value, but having a very long, extensive history of literally scamming people, finessing people, taking people's money in so many different ways. So like, what do you guys think about this? Have you ever been scammed by Krystal? I really want to hear your thoughts, man. Drop me a comment down below. This is a crazy, crazy situation. I just can't believe that it's still going on and that, you know, people are still saying that she's scamming them, finessing them out of money. Thank God that, you know, like my video is out there, so I'm sure a lot of people won't get scammed. So please share this with other people, guys. Share this inside Facebook groups. Share this, talk to people about it on Clubhouse. Like, please, guys, spread the word about this. The only way that we can take people down is if we shed light when people are doing stuff like this, especially with what's going on in the wholesaling industry. There's been so much regulation. So many states are passing laws to stop us. And then we've got people out here finessing the actual community that's trying to learn at the same time. So guys, what do you think about this? Drop me your comments down below. Give me the HBO special before y'all get up out of here, man. Make sure y'all like and subscribe to the channel for more content, guys. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this up, man. I'm heated out here. I ain't even gonna lie, man. This is one of those situations that really, really bothers me.
It's over 9,000!
But I hope that y'all staying healthy and blessed as always, man. And until next time, guys, we are hosts.
I'm out of your face, and you're into the